In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily duplicate a product within your Big Cartel store. This can be a game changer if you want to save time when creating multiple similar listings, or if you're running a promotion with a slightly different version of an existing product. Whether you're new to Big Cartel or just looking for tips to streamline your product management, this guide will give you a clear step-by-step process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your store, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It's designed to be user-friendly, with all the essential tools right at your fingertips. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top of the screen where you'll find the Products tab. This tab is crucial, as it's your gateway to managing all the items you're selling in your store. Give it a click, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all the products you currently have available. Now, take a moment to scan through your list and locate the product you wish to duplicate. Perhaps it's a bestseller you want to offer in another variant, or maybe you're introducing a limited edition version. In any case, find the product, and once you see it, click on it to open up its details. With the product page open, look at the top right corner, and you'll notice 3 small dots. This is a commonly used icon for accessing additional options or settings, so whenever you see it in Big Cartel or other online platforms, it's worth checking what's hiding behind it. Click on those 3 dots and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select the duplicate product option. Clicking it initiates the creation of a new product entry that mirrors all the details of the original product. This includes the images, descriptions, pricing, and any other specifics you've carefully crafted. However, don't forget, once duplicated, you can still tailor this new entry to fit any adjustments you were planning, be it a change in price, a different product title, or additional images to highlight what's unique about this iteration. And that's it. It's really that straightforward. You've now successfully duplicated a product in Big Cartel, making it easy to expand your store's offerings while keeping a consistent and professional look. With these steps, you're well on your way to efficiently managing your Big Cartel store and ensuring your product lineup is both dynamic and easily adaptable to your business needs. Remember, repetition is key to mastering these kinds of tasks, so don't hesitate to duplicate a few more products to get the hang of it. Happy selling?